Get it right, get it right, get it tight, get it right. Y'all remember that song? Okay. Hey MB crew, Mona B here. So before we get into the video, make sure you guys turn on your post notifications so you are notified whenever I post a new video to my channel. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my lifestyle channel. It is Life as Mona B. It will be linked in the description box below. And make sure you guys are following me on Instagram at Mona X Banks. So today I'm back with my first luxury bag. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna be unboxing my first luxury bag. I'm so excited. It's not really my first luxury bag, but it is, I would say, my first luxury bag in my adult life. And so the company that I'm bringing to you guys is bagsaa.ru. They're a company that sells handbags that are replicas. So yeah, I cannot wait to check it out and see if the bag that I got looks like, you know, the real version or whatever. You know what I'm saying? I'm all about saving your money. You know, if you can get a replica bag that looks just as good as the real thing and you ain't got to spend $1,000, that's right up my alley. Ain't nobody here to judge. You know what I'm saying? Bougie on a budget. We budgeting. Period. This is the box that it came in. So it is a Louis Vuitton bag, and it did come in this box. I do have a Louis Vuitton bag, authentic one that I never carry. I've had it for years. It's a backstory on that. Maybe we'll get into that one day. But anyway, so yeah, this is the box, and when you open the box, they include a Louis Vuitton bag like you would get at the store. Okay, boom. Yeah, this is where the receipt would be at. So yeah, they just did a little, you know, a little receipt like you would get if you actually went to the store. Very cute. It has Louis V on it, Louis Vuitton, with an actual receipt. So I think that was really cute of them to include that. It does have the Louis Vuitton ribbon card that lets you know if it's authentic or not. We know it's not, but that's really cute and creative that they include that in here. I don't even know what this bag looks like because I haven't opened it. So they send it in a duster, which is really cool. It has Louis Vuitton on a duster. So pretty much exactly how it would be if you went to the Louis Vuitton store. This is it straight out of the packaging. And this is just what it looks like. I like how they definitely have protection on the hardware. I can't even talk, on the hardware. So that was really, really cool. Yeah, so this is one of, when I seen this on the side, I was like, wow, this is interesting because I actually really want one of these bags, a real one, but a replica is okay with me. It has the pouch in it as well. So we're definitely going to go ahead and get into all of that. Let me make sure, let me take these, all of the, you know, what is this, like foam off. They really wrap this bag up really, really good. But it just has this little pamphlet and stuff inside as well. So this is the Neverfull PM. This is actually the smallest one, I believe. Y'all can correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure this is the smallest one. So this is how the bag looks. And in my opinion, right off the back, this is a really, really nice replica bag. Like, it looks really, really, really identical to the one on the Louis Vuitton website. Like, the hardware, the placement is on point. The straps are on point. It looks really, really, really nice. And even the actual pattern, this monogram, the only difference is, but I believe these bags come in different colors in the inside, because the one that I'm looking at on the website has a pink inside, but don't they swap out the colors, I believe? So I mean, in my opinion, this is really, really close. As you guys can see, they have the pouches, has Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. It's really close. Like, this is insane. Like, y'all can see it got plastic right here, so I just didn't take it off. Even like the detailing, all of the little buckles and stuff have Louis Vuitton on them. I am really, really, really impressed. It's really a nice quality bag, and it looks really comparable. Like, I'll put some pictures here so that y'all can see. Like, this is insane. And it also came with the little pouch as well, and it came with the strap to go ahead and loop the pouch. Let me see if I can go ahead and put this in here. It's a little bag that you can clip on to your bag or whatever. I am really, really impressed with this, y'all. Like, it's really sturdy. Like, let me put it on so you guys can see it on my shoulder. Like, what do y'all think? I feel like this is a really good replica. Like, it looks like identical to the one on the website. Like, I can't really even find any major differences. Like, even the strings that you pull to draw the bag in, like, you pull these in, and I would say that's probably the only difference, is that these don't really pull in well. Like, y'all know how the bag is supposed to be able to do like this? Like on the sides. Yeah, if y'all go on a website, y'all know what I'm talking about. I feel like that's the only thing that is missing, but I'm pretty sure I wouldn't even wear it like that anyways. Bag is roomy. It definitely is a nice size. Because, you know, the regular bag is $1,300. You guys should definitely check out the website bagsaa.ru if you guys are interested and are looking for replicas. They do have other items on their website as well, other Louis Vuitton bags as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye!